I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be going ahead and removing this set from my Poochiez hand. We are going to be doing a soak off, so I'm going to come in with the 4 extra course bit from the Essentials collection from Glitter Planet. All of the drill bits as well are available in singles if you want to go ahead and check them out, and you can use my code NINJA10 for 10% off the website. So I'm just coming in and removing the bulk of the design. I didn't really need to remove the tip and the length because I'll come in a little minute and just use the tip cutters to remove that excess, just to save me from filing for so long, like when I didn't need to. So once I've removed the bulk on all of the nails, I'm just coming in with the tip cutters and basically cutting straight across as short as possible without getting too close to the silicone, because you don't want to snip that. As if it was a client, you would not want to snip their finger. I mean, you wouldn't go ahead and snip acrylic, I wouldn't personally, on a client anyway, because it could be painful for some clients, but since this silicone hand doesn't feel anything at all, it really didn't matter, and it wasn't really going to cause any damage to the nail plate as such. So once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and just literally lay my hand in acetone and making sure that all of the nails are submerged. And I left mine for a good 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and then there were still some bits on, so I actually added it again, and here is the final result after soaking. I bet I probably soaked for maybe 45 minutes because I did forget about it the first time round. Because I was doing another set of nails, but yeah, probably 45 minutes in total. So once you've completed the soak off time, you then want to come in with some form of scraper tool or pusher and just remove that excess acrylic that's still on there very, very gently, because it is a silicone hand. We're just pushing that off there. Once I'd used that to get the bulk off, I'm then coming in with some paper towel and just removing the extra residue with that. Once I'd gone ahead and wiped the excess residue off with the tissue, I did find that there were still some little bits left, and also in the cuticle area where the tip sort of slots underneath. So I did do another little soak and then also rinsed off my hand with some warm water and soap just to make sure that it was really clean. There were still bits on, which I was super annoyed about, but it is what it is. So next I'm coming in and applying a coat of the primer to all of the nail beds, and this is not to use on humans, it's just purely for the silicone. So I did go ahead and decide to also pop on some gloves just in case I got some on my skin, because I didn't want anything to happen. Just applied that and then allowed it to dry, and then I'm coming in. I already sized up the nail tips ready to fit to the nail beds, and then I'm going to be using the NSI Polybond glue to do that. I was terrified, I'm not gonna lie, so I didn't add just the right amount of glue. I added a little bit less to be on the more cautious side, because it does say don't get any glue in the cuticles or the side walls or anything like that. which did mean that my nails, some of them were left with air bubbles and gaps, and even though they felt secure, I'm not sure how they'll hold up when I'm filing. So basically that is it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off applying the tips, and then that is how you do a soak off and reapply the tips. I'm only going to show you the application of 2 tips because it's kind of the same process for each nail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well, and let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see next, because I want to hear your guys' ideas and anything that you're struggling with and all of that jazz. I'd be happy to help and obviously do a nice little video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please guys, always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.